Alright, welcome back everybody. So today I was at the store and I found two locks. The first one I'm not going to do tonight because I'm too tired, and it's a known brand. The second one is one of those, have no idea, has no name on it. It came in a box like this. All it says is made in China, manufactured for Grainger International, like 4 cylinders. It doesn't tell me anything else. Came in that box and a couple bags, and I just want to upload. And this caught my attention because the first lock, I don't want to give it away until tomorrow, but that's the one I went there for. And then I saw this, and they had a couple other ones, but this looked like the best cheapie that I was gonna get. It's a nice key. It uses the Yale Keyway. It's a heavy, so it seems like steel. And one way to find out, make sure it's not aluminum. Okay, that magnet's not that strong, so let's try. I don't know if it's connecting to the parts on the inside. No, that don't feel like metal at all. Oh well, that doesn't matter. So Yale Keyway, one of the better keyways for newer pickers to start learning on because it's tight, it's constricted, and once you get the security pins when you're starting out, it's gonna be frustrating. And remember guys, we still got giveaways. Just finished up the practice lock one, and about 11 more subs and I'll start giving out the first watch locks, which pick like the 1100 American. Did I zoom up on this key? It's a nice looking key. Like the bidding on it. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 pins. Maybe, I doubt 6, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if it is only 5, then pin 1 and 2 are nice and low, and then 3 and 4 are those high cut pins, you know. So you really got to get up in there, and then 5's back down low. So let's see, for this $15 shoulder shrouded lock. Ooh, no tension on the core. That's gonna make it interesting. Ball bearings. Okay. So let's just see for this little cheeky lock. The core seems like it can use some oil though. I was playing with it in the store, and they had boxes of these things. But I at least want to get a video up for you guys tonight. The other one's just going to take too much time. And I thought about doing an American, but we'll see how this video goes because I'm going to be asleep by 3 o'clock. And it's 1:30. And I want to pick my multi-lock for a couple rounds. Alright, so I could do top of the keyway with 40,000s. But I'm thinking I may do bottom. So I doubt that this is gonna have any security pins in it. So let's find out. Ooh, that might. I feel like I'm getting a counter. Yep. Wow. That's really interesting. What the hell's going on? Oh, did my tension come out all the way? Yeah. Yep, there's a tiny false set because I'm getting counter rotation. I can just feel it through my tension wrench. Bet you it's one of them high pins. Ah! I knew I shouldn't have let go. I thought I had lost it. It's alright, let's go ahead and... Oh, do I have a skinnier one than this? Shall. It's right here. Yeah, this thing has security pins. Wasn't that bad of a buy then. This is what I'm talking about. Just never know. What the hell was I just using? Oh, you know what? Let's try this. I really want to use this and just find a way to make it work. So I'm not going to let go. Because last time I had lost whatever I had. I think I'm down to one pin. Because I feel like a slight counter rotation. It's probably one of those higher cut pins also. Ha! Yep, it was. So I knew that was counter rotation. So this thing has security pins. Not a bad pick for $15. Don't know the name, don't know the company, but that's just what I'm talking about, guys. You never know what you're gonna get, and that's kind of the fun part. Is once you start getting into spools and whatnot, because once you do have understanding and then you really go in buying it blind, and then when you start picking it and you're like, ooh, you know, I think I'm gonna fall set, or ooh, I'm getting counter rotation, and it makes you feel good because that knowledge is in your head and you're starting to put it together, and it's like, damn, you know, like, okay, I just found out all by myself that this has security pins in it. Like, this doesn't tell you anything, you know? I mean, no name whatsoever. Oh, what was I gonna say? Did we lock it again? See, those pins were rough, and a lot of my picks have been bent from some of these locks I've been going after, and I need to change them all out here soon. But yeah, not a bad pick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. You saw that key, that high pin. I couldn't tell if it was 3 or 4, but one of those was the last one to set, and it was definitely what I was hung up on. And as you can see there, you can use bottom of the keyway to tension. So yeah, I forget what I was gonna say, but just go, man. Just, you never know what you're gonna buy. Like, this doesn't have no markings. I really wish I knew a name. Yale Keyway definitely makes an interesting pick, so not a bad little lock. Throw it on the wall of locks. Don't want to zoom out too much. I don't want you to see the lock for tomorrow, but we got more videos coming. 11 more subscribers. I'm gonna start throwing out them first watch locks. Then I got picks, and then I might have a interesting idea for some other giveaways, like some higher end locks for people. Like, I don't know. We'll see. We got to get rid of the stuff we have first. So we got to get to the 60 mark, which is 11 more. So, oh well. All right. Thanks for the support, guys. Yeah, just go to your hardware store, or go to different hardware stores, or a place that just sells locks, like that has tools, and, you know, like the mom and pop type shops. You know, they always have interesting stuff. All right. Thanks, guys. See you next time.